Still worried about degradations of the clean steel to concrete saturation or substantial quality? Don't let inferior equipment tarnish your hard-earned reputation. Shanxi Mixture Tracks ultimates constant speed mixing technical to ensure every cubic meter of concrete remains perfectly uniform, superior quality negatively, with a great reputation, great tracks lead to great work, and a stable stem of projects. Offer limit to the first 10 buyers. Don't wait, contaminate now and take your construction business to the next level.